This moment will never exist again. Time will never hold itself in this stillness. We waste lifetimes waiting for something greater, forgetting that greater is already here, in the sky that will never look exactly the same, in the faces of strangers who somehow feel familiar, in the wind that carries the scent of places you can't hold on to. Tomorrow is never promised, and yet this fleeting instant is enough to hold the weight of eternity. This moment right now will be a memory, and the only thing that matters is how deeply you lived it.